Hi, this is Minesh Patel with blackbar.com. Today is November 30th. We had an exciting week. It's Thanksgiving here in the US, and we had a lot of opportunities out there. A lot of people were taking off, going on vacations and everything. And believe it or not, that's when a lot of times the markets move, when you're not looking at all. We knew that there was going to be huge opportunities out there because of the list of the TNTs that we got. If you have not seen this video before or any of our videos that we've been posting week by week by week for months and for years, a TNT is a black bar. It tells you that there's something that's going to happen on the next bar with high probability. All you have to do is search for those TNTs. You have your list of opportunities there, and then you trade them on the next bar. Which way is the question you have? Well, it's easy. If you have a green background, you're going to buy. If you have a red background, you're going to sell. In fact, on the charts, we tell you exactly where to buy, where to get out with your conditional stop, and where your targets are. So let's get to the charts and look at all the opportunities and explain everything on what happened, what were the opportunities, what were the winners, which one got out of break even, and what were the losers. And if you look at overall this week, believe it or not, we had 26 winners, 1 loss, and 6 break even. That's a huge, great results that you saw, especially for Thanksgiving, where you didn't even have a complete trading week at all. So let's go to the charts and show you all the results. So here are the charts here. Here's a list of all the opportunities here that we had. There's a huge number here. So what you want to do is you're going to have opportunities to have a shaded background, which are telling you those are high probability because you know which direction they're going to go. The lower probability ones are the non-shaded trades, and those could go either way. So here in this list, since we had a huge list, we're going to concentrate on the high probability ones, which were the shaded opportunities. So here they are. We had, believe it or not, 21 winners for shaded, 1 loss, and 6 break even. And here they are. So let me zoom in on here. And you could see here, this blue dot here is basically the above the black bar TNT high. And since it's the green background, that's where you're buying. Red dot is your conditional stop. And you shrink this down, your blue cross is your target. It's as simple as that. The goal is to be profitable at the end of that bar, which is the end of the week. If you're not profitable, you get out completely. If you're profitable, you could stay in for next week. Next week, if you're even more profitable, by the end of that week, you go to break even and then let that trade ride until it decides it doesn't want to go anymore. Okay? So VMC was a profitable trade. WM was a profitable trade. PVH, profitable. PSA. Charts are just loading slow today. SHW, profitable. O'Reilly, Automator is profitable. PCAR, profitable. NWL is profitable. It's NAVI, MAC, ITW. Here's a good one here. This is the E-mini, this is ES in here. There's FAST, CSX, Kroger, CTAS, ED, Cisco, believe it or not, GT. So there's various different sectors in there. Remember, we don't care about the stock or anything like that. We want to go where the money is. And that's what the TNT is telling you. There's an opportunity there because big money's going in. So there's Cisco, GT, CSC, and this list just goes on. But the biggest thing that we saw also was that the S&P 500 futures had a TNT, and that triggered, that entered, and now is profitable. So did the Dow futures here too. You didn't see it on the NASDAQ, you didn't see it on the Russell, but you did see for the E-mini and the Dow. ABT was profitable too. These here were break-even trades. So these got in, and then it got to our level where we go to break-even inner bar, and then it got stopped out for no loss at all. It's break-even trade. So we had a couple of those here, right there, and you could see the list here, Intel, GWW, WHR. The losing trade here, let's zoom in on so you can see what the losing trade looks like. It's right here, We entered at the blue dot right there. It didn't get to this line here where we go interbar break even, and then it closed here. So this is a minor loss right there. The conditional stop was right there. So we got out here since we weren't profitable by the end of the week. So this is a minor loss. Not bad at all if you think about it. The shaded, non-shaded opportunities you had one currency in there, which is Australian yen. You had NRG, NEE, a lot of the energy type of stocks that are there, CHRW. And then D, this was break even, okay? So if you summarize everything here, right there, you could see we had a huge number of winners. So in total, we had 26 winners, 1 loss, and 6 break even. This is a shout for James Cramer. Stop looking at all those other indicators and check out the TNT. And look at that compared to moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and all that stuff. Come check out the TNT. Check out the modern age of indicators, which is more about forecasting than waiting for things to happen and then enter. If you like this video, please like and share it. And please a shout out for Jim Cramer to get his attention too. Thank you.